Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today we're going to draw and color a brand new number block, Numberblock 2500. Get your pencils ready. Let's get started. First, draw a big rectangle. This is the main body.
Every number starts as shapes, little boxes side by side. Drawing number blocks together is
Now, draw another rectangle at the bottom. This is for the 500 blocks.
color gently, nice and slow. Fill the paper bright and true. Red and yellow, green and blue.
Inside the big body, one horizontal line in the middle, 1. Draw 4 vertical lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. This divides the two main block sections. Next, draw 2 more horizontal lines. 1, 2. Now draw 50 vertical lines inside the big block area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Yay! We reached 50. That's F-I-F-T-Y. After that, draw 50 horizontal lines. All right, everyone, count with me. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400,
Drawing makes us smile wide.
450,
Feel alive. Number blocks are happy.
500,
Learning really thrive.
550,
One little block, two little blocks, 3 and 4 and 5 in line.
600,
7, 8 and 9, 10 together.
650,
looking fine. Add them, stack them, count them.
700,
Growing all the time. Drawing every
750,
single block makes our artwork super prime.
800,
We can blend and we can
850,
shade. And mix the colors bright.
900,
New combinations make the picture shine in light.
950,
Slowly coloring softly, take your time and stay in groove. When
1000,
we draw the number blocks, every block begins
1050,
learning numbers while we color.
1100,
Succeed.
1150,
Our thinking gives our brains the power.
1200,
Helps us think creative. Coloring
1250,
every stroke and every line makes new
1300,
Now we finish
1350,
how nice our work
1400,
every number
1450,
unique and not the same. We can draw again tomorrow. We can
1500,
color every day. Number blocks
1550,
we learn and as we play.
1600,
Number blocks drawing
1650,
counting, working in
1700,
learning is fun. Every new number
1750, 1800, 1850, 1900, 1950, 2000,
rectangle shapes we begin step by step.
2050,
Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right
2100,
place. Fun and slow. We don't need to rush the
2150,
inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red
2200,
time is fun. Number blocks appear
2250,
one by one they come
2300,
alive. Color, color, color inside.
2350,
Crayons, use your markers, make your picture
2400,
picture, let it glow. This drawing time feels so
2450, and 2500.
Count with me.
Wow, we reached 2500.
11, 12, 13, 14. Every
Great,
block becomes
the number block grid is ready.
Pick a color, pick a shade. Let the
Draw
drawing
both
time
eyes,
begin.
big circles with pupils in the center. So
Build a
cute.
number block within. Every line we draw is magic. Every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our world creative. This is
Draw
how the
eyebrows
numbers
above
glow.
the eyes.
Color softly, color gently. Fill the picture nice and bright. Red and pink and purple, yellow. Turn the page
Draw a
into
happy
the
smile
light.
and add the inside smile line. Draw both hands. Draw 2 legs at the bottom. On the top, write 2500. Fantastic work! You've drawn number block 2500.
8 and 9, 10 blocks standing in a line.
Coloring time!
Color one by one. Add each tone with careful hands. Number blocks can teach us counting. Number blocks can make us stand.
Now let's color him in and bring him to life. Color the inside of the eyes with black. B-L-A-C-K. Blink your eyes once. Now color carefully inside the eye shapes. Color the eye outlines, eyebrows, and smile line with dark blue. D-A-R-K-B-L-U-E.
Keep it neat and keep it right. Drawing number blocks together is a happy
Say it loud.
sight.
Dark blue. 3 times fast. Color half of the hands and half of the legs with light orange. L-I-G-H-T-O-R-A-N-G-E. Color slowly and carefully.
Shining, glowing, clean and bright. We are artists, we are learners.
Count one small section per number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing! Keep going.
Use the crayons in a line. Use your markers, use your pencils. Make the drawing look.
Color the lower body and remaining hands with sky blue. SKYBLUE.
Make funny moments every single drawing day. Now we finish.
Can you find something blue near you? Point to it. Wow, you found it.
Something bigger, maybe 50, maybe 10. Art and learning walk together, both combine as one big power. Coloring number blocks makes every minute like a flower. Coloring count, count and color, just like this and like no other. Drawing
Now pick orange, ORANGE, for the main 2,000 block body. This is the biggest part, so we'll play lots of mini games while coloring. Hold up your orange color. Is it bright? Is it ready? Yes, let's start. Counting blocks slowly. This main body has 2,000 blocks. We'll count hundreds while coloring. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, 2,000. Say it loud. 2,000. Fast or slow? When I say fast, color fast. When I say slow, color carefully. Fast, slow, fast, slow. Keep your hand steady. Stretch and wiggle. Pause coloring for 10 seconds. Stretch your arms, wiggle your fingers, shake your hands. Back to coloring. Find the color. Look around. Can you find something orange nearby? Point to it. Yes, amazing spotting. Counting challenge. Let's count by 50s while coloring. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 1,150, 1,200, 1,350, 1,400, 1,500, 1,650, 1,700, 1,850, 1,900, 2,000. Wow, you are a super counter. Quiet Focus Challenge. Color quietly for 5 to 10 seconds. Focus only on your coloring. Breathe in, breathe out. Great concentration. White space spotting. Look closely. Do you see any white gaps? Fill them in carefully. Make it perfect. Mini Game 9. Number Jump Game. Let's jump and say numbers while coloring. 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Again, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. This is a counting and movement game. Fastest finger. Color the smallest squares as fast as you can for 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. Stop. Check your work. Nice and neat. Finally, color the 500 block section at the bottom with sky blue. SKYBLUE.
Shaded color in number blocks are full of fun. Red next, blue next, yellow next. Color every single one, step by step and block by block. Count them slow, then count them fast. We are learning all the numbers, 'cause knowledge always stays endless. Tick tock, drawing time never stops. Color softly,
Count to 500. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Excellent!
Fill it in and let it shine. Drawing every single square makes number blocks look so divine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we color and we count alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we can start it all again. This is learning with our heart, this is fun and this is art. Drawing every little part makes the magic truly start. Color the top, color the bottom, color the middle, in between. Every shade and every tone makes the best we've ever seen. Rainbow colors everywhere, mix and match and all combine. Drawing number blocks with love makes every picture look so fine. Now we finish, nice and slow, step by step and line by line.
Excellent! Learning time. 2,500 equals 2,000 plus 500.
Every day we can color, we can count. Every number block we make
2,000 is spelled TWOTHOUSAND.
fun. Drawing and coloring everyone. Color and count.
500 is spelled FIVEHUNDRED. Number block 2,500 says, I am strong and super big. I am made of 2,500. Great job, super learners. You colored, you counted, you played games, you learned big numbers.
Start with simple shapes and lines, nice and slow and neat.
See you next time with another fun number block.
Don't forget, like,
Draw a block,
share,
draw another
subscribe.
shape.
Thanks for watching.